2, 3. Go.
Pag first time, mag-good to be. Ang second sim, ano na
Sorry.
The indoor dog finally realized that the world was the universe. It's currently 4 a.m. in the morning. There's a lot of
We're in
dogs.
fucking Alaska.
Just a stranger saying that. Ang satayang gasaltiya.
Mamatay kasi.
Kaya nga po, bumibili na nga po si Jekyll ng saging po mga pahay, no? My God, your butt is so nice.
His butt is a paradise.
Bumili po kami ng 5 saging po, tapos ang problema, wala pong plastic. So may drugs po dito, no? Nandito pa nakalocate yung drugs. Joke. Everything that I did to you was it wrong? But up, please! Para rin ang video. Puset con.
Hi guys, at ngayon nga struggle is real kasi alam niyo naman ito kasama ko. Walking my dog for the first time. Nakakala mo sobrang easy lang, expectation versus reality. Ikaw pa pala yung masa-struggle, grabe. Hey! Damat nabot na milang len, lang iring nilang lenik eh. Hey! Here's your new brother! New walk out. Ay, gara dyan. Na-trap na. Penoy again. Ano masasabi mo sa Penoy?
Okay lang. Natitikman ko.
Pinoy.
Di ba Penoy?
Pinoy.
Penay lang.
Pinay? May plano sa foreigner. Kasi dati Penoy, ngayon Pinoy.
Oh, ang sarap-sarap lang na Penay.
Masasarap yung Penay.
Parang ano, tender juice. Na may pagka-Virginia.
Meron siyang juice. Marami siyang sabaw. Actually, yung Penay.
Siya kasi ba yung halan pa mong ito, tinapamit.
Yung pa man ko? Hangman gamay.
Charon lang siguro po eh.
G-Boy, andito yung camera. Anong masasabi mo sa Penoy? Masarap ba yung Penoy?
Penoy, meron niyang mga health benefits eh.
Ano yung ano?
Nakakataas ng...
Ay, no.
Orgasm.
Bastosa.
Nakakapataas ng ano? Ako kay self-confidence ang tako isulti. Grabe.
Iba din yung naiisip ko eh.
Kung saan mo?
Nakakapagpataas ng buhay. buhay. Pero maraming naniniwala na pag mahal mo, ipaglaban mo. Pero bakit hindi mo pinaglaban?
Mahirap kasi paglaban yung taong ayaw naman talagang ipaglaban siya.
Ellen,
Hi, I'm
you're so busy. Why? What is that?
Theme.
Team.
Can't you read?
Oh yeah, I read.
Yeah, you
I rode. I rode. The future is road. Yes. You know what? She's reading, but the the past is road.
Uy, ang read
Yes.
daw kasi same spelling
Oh,
na
yeah,
pagkakuan kay red.
I read books,
Yes, I have
But-
read book.
but when I know the story, I wrote books. Just double click. There, yeah, you see my face. Oh yeah.
Another choice.
And then swipe up, and then this is my pattern.
It's my comfort food.
Ay, lahi, gulpay mo naka-on mark.
Yo guys, this is your boy MNTBN signing off for this video. If you like this video, Yo guys, this is the boy MNTBN signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up, tweet me at the boy MNTBN, and anything else to add?